Time for some Monday birthdays across the area, and we are beginning in Webb City with Leighton Bickett celebrating birthday number 5. Happy birthday, Leighton.
All right, and Brennan Smith is 7 strong this year in Chanute, Kansas. Happy birthday, Brennan.
Also 7 strong, a pair of triplets, Stella, Axel, and Ava Roberts, celebrating number 7. Happy birthday to the 3 of you.
All right, hope you have a fun time. Trevor Doss, turning 9 years old this year. That would be the boy, not the cat in the front. Trevor is very happy to be turning 9 with love from Mom, Dad, and your sisters.
We've got Charlie Insminger celebrating number 9 in Moran as well. Happy birthday, Charlie.
In Oswego, Kansas, Tatum Johnston, turning 10 years old this year.
We've got Owen Roberts celebrating Sweet 16 in Columbus. Happy birthday, Owen.
In Frontenac, Lane Sullivan, welcome to adulthood. Lane is now 18 years old.
And we've got Harmony Conduff celebrating number 23. Happy birthday, Harmony.
All right. Bryce Commons, happy birthday, Bryce. I hope you have a wonderful day today and get to do something fun. Bryce is now 27 in Pittsburgh.
And we've got Amy Bartley in Pittsburgh as well, celebrating number 50. Happy birthday, Amy.
And Travis Shelton, happy birthday to you. Turning the big 5-0 up in Fort Scott.
We've got Carol Erickson celebrating birthday number 63 in Moran. Happy birthday, Carol.
In St. Paul, Terry Bourne celebrating birthday number 72.
And over in Columbus, Corky Zom celebrating birthday number 81. Happy birthday, Corky.
In Chanute, Norma Crabtree celebrating birthday number 95 this year. Hope it's a great one.
And we've got Mila Yeager celebrating in Columbus. Happy birthday, Mila.
Happy birthday, Mila. And Marilia Brumbach in Columbus, happy birthday to you.
And we've got Janet Humble celebrating in Scammon.
And happy birthday love coming from Jessica, Dustin, all your brothers and sisters, Aunt Jenny and her crew, going out to Chris Vaughn, who's now 15.
And we've got Trini and Lorraine Isusi celebrating their 68th wedding anniversary in Humboldt. Happy anniversary to the Isusis. And we want to continue to celebrate, and there's a really easy way to do that, isn't there, Tanya?
That's right. All you have to do is send those birthday emails to us with your picture and all of the information to birthdays with an S at KOAMnewsnow.com.
And of course, while you're on our website, make sure you take time to sign up for the KOAM Birthday Club. You get special deals from local businesses. You also get a birthday message from your friends here at KOAM. So head over to the KOAMnewsnow.com website and sign up for the KOAM Birthday Club today.